Hello everyone. So basically, let me just tell you that this video is going to be very random, and I didn't plan to shoot this video. I was just sitting with my cards, and I started recording, and I thought to share this reading with you guys also. So basically, many of you already know that I recently visited Tungnath Mandir to seek Shivji blessings, and also to have like little meditation to activate some chakras and all that thing. So when I was there, like I first went to Chopta Valley, and there I was there for like one day, and then another day I visited Tungnath Mandir and seek the blessings of Shivji. So when I was in Chopta Valley, so when I reached there, like seriously, I can't express the feeling and how it felt. Like the vibes and the energy and the positivity. It was beyond my, expression, and I can't express that feeling. And the moment I reached there, I felt something, and I felt that okay, there is a energy here, and I should meditate here. And I started meditating. I meditated for around like 2 or 2.5 hours. Where I was meditating, I was connected to my higher self, and I was getting some very strong intuition that okay, something is going to change and all. And you guys won't believe that next day when I visited Tungnath Mandir, at that time, like it was I think Saturday, or no, it was Sunday, the last Sunday. On Sunday, I visited Tungnath Mandir, and on that day, when I actually entered the temple, not even like the Shivji's temple, just like the gate of the temple. When I visited and when I entered there, I got a very strong intuition, a very strong message from Shivji and from Mahadev. Seriously, I got a gut feeling, and I got that something is there and Shivji wants to tell me something, and very strong thing I got there that okay, I need to like see that what that message is. So today I'm sitting here. I just came back from Tungnath, and I'm sitting with my car, and I just want to see that what that message is, and I thought of recording it and share this message with you guys also. So let's just close our eyes and just focus on our intuition, our third eye chakra, and let's ask Mahadev that what is that one thing and what is that message which Mahadev wants to give us, which Mahadev wants to tell us. What is that one message which Mahadev wants to tell us? What is the message which you want to give us, Mahadev and Shivji? What do you want to give us? What do you want to tell us? Oh my god, the energies are so intense. I can feel that. Okay. Oh my god. This is something I knew it. I knew it that this is going to be the message which actually Mahadev wants to tell you. So the message what I can see is this, that I and everyone who is seeing this video, you guys are, or someone who is actually like whoever wants to, or whoever like will be able to relate with me, you have been into shelter. You have like एक होता है ना कि fully you guys have covered yourself in something which is your own thoughts. You are something in emotionally very low, and you have some guilt in your mind, and you are actually taking a step back from something. You are actually taking a this time is not for a step back, but you are actually not using your energy, and you are actually not in the moment. You are actually just neglecting all the powers, all the energies, and your higher self, your intuition, and everything. And you are just taking a step back, and you are just going in the backward direction. And whether I can see that what Mahadev is saying, that you have this capability. I can see this chariot card. I can see the Knight of Pentacles card. I can see that this moment and this thing is actually like that Mahadev wants to tell you that okay, you have to chase things. You really have to see that what is actually in the future, and what is your actual goal, and what you actually wanted to achieve. And you are not chasing that thing, and you are just focusing on random stuffs and all that stuff, and just wasting your energy and just neglecting some things. And you are just, if you are in a relationship, I can see a relationship card also. If you are thinking about someone, or if someone is in your life, so I can see that you are wasting your energy. This person is not meant for you. Or if you are already married, then this if you are into an argument with a person you are married to, then that argument or that fight is of no use. You are just wasting your energy. I can see the person you are with currently is not worth your type or worth your energy and worth your, anything about you. I can see you have to move on. You have to get out of this relationship. You have to like express yourself. You have to come out of this thing. So yeah, I can see that you are just removing everything from your like important stuff from your life and just focusing on random shit and all random stuff, and just getting, like if I am a person, and I have something, like I have my aura, I have something in my life and some priorities, but my thoughts, my negativity is just removing that thing, and I am just focusing on some random stuffs, and I'm just being negative that I'm not able to do that, I'm not capable of this thing, this person is treating me like that, and that person is saying that you are not that capable, you have nothing to do with this, or you are not that much capable, or something like that, that random stuff. So I am also accepting that fact for me, and I'm degrading myself. Like that's the word, that degrading myself, and just focusing on things which someone have other perspective for me, and I'm accepting that perspective, and I am degrading myself. So you are into that energy. That is one thing which I can see as of now. And also, if I see, so I can see that as of now you are just in the resting mood, and that is good for you, because I can see when I meditated there also get this feeling that something or some weeks, like around 2 or 3 weeks, it should be very patient. You have to be very patient, and you really need to be calm down, stressed out, and just focus on yourself and your mental health and all that stuff, and then see that how the things are going to be, how the world is, how other people are thinking about you, and other stuffs and all that thing. But as of now, I can see that just do not degrade yourself. Do not think that you are not capable of such things. You are capable of many, many things. I can see messages, and the thing I'm getting, the energy I'm getting, and the intuition that is saying that, yeah, this see the card is nine of swords. This is a full card of like too much stress, anxiety, and just lost in your own thoughts, just not thinking well enough, and you are just thinking that okay, this is all going to happen, and you are just feeling negative too much. That I always say that manifestation. So you are someone who is manifesting bad things or negativity for yourself. You are just manifesting all these things for yourself because you are just thinking negative. So that's all thing I can see that this is the message which coming very strong, that you are the one who is actually the reason of your suffering, and you are the reason of your what is actually going through. And oh my god, that is a very good message. So this is the thing which is the intuition. My intuition was saying that this is the wheel of fortune card. Things are going to change. I can see a change. I can see that whatever situation you are currently in, it's gonna take a 360-degree turn, and all this happened because I told you that I got an intuition that okay, something big is going to happen, and something big is going to come in your life. So this is that card. This is the card, the wheel of fortune. That yes, he something really, really big is going to happen, and whatever you are currently feeling, whatever you are suffering as of now, whether it's a breakup, whether it's your marriage, whether it's your career or any personal issue, it's gonna change, and it's gonna change in next 3 weeks, and it's going to be like in your favor, and you are going to thank Mahadev, you are going to thank Shivji that okay, I have got change is so fruitful for me, and this thing is so fruitful me, and I'm actually having this best time in my life. So yeah, this is going to be very, very good. Oh my god, that is also a good card. I can see an 8 of Wands card. So all your efforts are going to give you results. All of your efforts, whichever you have done in the past, these efforts are going to give you very, very good results also now. And yeah, I can see that you really need to focus on these things, that how you can change these stuffs in your life, whatever I said as of now, because the Wheel of Fortune card is there. So how you can make this change come into your life, and how you make these things be, very fruitful for you in the future, and just trust your intuition. Yeah, I can see the High Priestess card. See what your gut is saying. Just see that what your inner feeling is saying. Do not listen to others' perspective. Do not accept what others want you to say. Just say what you wanted to say. Just listen to your intuition. Because right now I can see that your intuition power is very high. If you listen to your intuition, your gut feeling, it will always support you. So just be ready for this change. I can see that this change is very beautiful, and this change is going to be very fruitful for you. So just thank Shivji, just thank Shivji, just trust in Shivji, just trust in Mahadev, and then I can guarantee that this reading will actually come true. I coming out of very strong intuition and very strong power. So if you were able to resonate with this reading, then do not forget to tell me in the comment section. Also, if you like this video, do share it with your friends. Subscribe my channel so that you cannot miss all the updates which I'll share in the future. And also, if you want to get any personal reading from me, whether it's numerology, tarot card reading, or if you want to get your spells done, then you can connect with me on Instagram, or you can just check the link which I'll share in the description. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Tab tak ke liye just be safe, be healthy, and stay positive. Thank you.